to my channel Enjoy Learning with Bhavna. Today we will be doing exercise 7.2 of coordinate geometry for class 10th. Let's continue. Question number 3 is to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Now what they have given is a rectangular shape, that is school ground is given, that is ABCD. Okay, and sports day has to be conducted over there. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Now what they are saying, that is they have formed lanes. Okay, when the child is running, some lanes are formed. So some lanes of 1 meter each is formed with chalk powder. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. And they have placed 100 flower pots at a distance of 1 meter each, as shown in figure 7.12. Now Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD on the second line. So AD distance is your 100 flower pots are there. So the distance AD will be 100. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance. So 1/4 the distance of AD Niharika is running and posting a green flag. And Preet runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line. So Preet is running on 8th line and posts a red flag, and she is posting a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? Now we want to find out the distance between these two flags. Okay, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag, now one other girl is there, that is Rashmi, and she wants to post a blue flag exactly the halfway of this distance, Niharika and Preet, where they are. Okay, Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. Where should she post her flag? Now we want to know where she will be posting the blue flag. So what we will be going to find out, that is, first of all we want to find out the distance between this, where the Niharika and Preet is. So distance between these two flags. Secondly, we want to find out where this girl Rashmi will post the blue flag, that is the midway of this distance. Okay, so proceed like this. First of all, it is given that Niharika runs how much distance? That is 1/4 of distance AD. Okay, and AD, that is 100 flower pots are placed over there. So distance is 100. So you can calculate this, 1/4 of 100. So it will be 25. Okay, and the second girl is your Preet. Preet runs, she is running 1/5 of distance AD. So it will be 1/5 and multiplied by 100. So it is your 20. Okay, now the coordinates of Niharika. So coordinates will be, she was running in second lane. So X is your 2 and Y will be your 25. And coordinates of Preet, that is she was running in 8th line and it will be 20. Okay, now we want to find out the distance between these two girls. So using distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So it will be, just calculate it, 8 minus 2 square plus 20 minus 25 square. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36, plus 20 minus 25 is minus 5 square is 25. So it will be under root, okay. So it is under root 61. So after this, now the second thing is Rashmi wants to post a blue flag, okay, exactly the halfway. So you know the coordinates were given were, that was 2 and 25 and 8 and 20, okay. So Rashmi will be posting at the midway a blue flag. So using midpoint formula, you know it is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2, okay. So you can write it is 2 plus 8 by 2 and 25 plus 20 upon 2. So it will be 10 by 2 and it will be 45 upon 2. So it is your 5 and it will be 22.5, okay. So you can say the girl Rashmi posts a blue flag at 5:22.5, okay. That was the midway of these two girls where they have posted their flags, okay. Now after this, question number 4 is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by -1, 6. Okay, now it is given, 2 points are given over here, okay, that is -3, 10 and 6 minus 8. Now this time they have given the coordinates of this point, that is -1, 6, and they have not given the ratio, okay. Let the ratio be m and n. So let the ratio be m's to n, okay. Now using section formula, what it was, x is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and y is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, okay. So we can do simply by x only. -1 is your m into 6 plus n into -3 upon m plus n. So it will be -1 m plus n equals 6m minus 3n, or you can say -m minus n is 6m minus 3n, or -n plus 3n is 6m plus n, or you can say 3n minus n is 2n equals 7m, or 2 by 7 is m by n. So the ratio is 2:7. 7. So in this way, you can do it. If there is any doubt, then tell me in the comment section. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.